Hey everyone, back tuning into the fourth update for Glastonbury. It will be just a week away now, the festival. The first day of it will be a week today, next Friday. So we've done 3 updates so far. It hasn't really been a trend, actually, through the past. It started off very good, a lot of high pressure and warm, dry weather. The last 2 were a bit mixed, to say the least, particularly the last one looked a bit poor, with rain and cool temperatures as well. We'll see what the fourth update is going to show in a moment. But before we go on with that, just to say about the ads, there's links to articles on all the pages at Glastonbury. So going to have a browser widget and click through. You'll be helping to pay for this website. Also video ads, so if you give a quick watch, you'll be helping to pay for the website again. So thanks very much for doing that. Just quickly, very quick to start off with tomorrow evening, because somebody has asked me what the weather's going to be like in London tomorrow evening. Apparently Blur are playing Hyde Park, and they wanted to know what's going to happen. It looks like it could be a bit showery, so take your Mac if you're off to Hyde Park tomorrow. It could be some heavy thundery showers down across the south through the course of the evening. This is the precipitation forecast 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Definitely the suggestion of some heavy showers likely then. They fade through the evening, so it should be going dry up towards midnight. And the temperatures start off quite warm, really, around 20-21 degrees around London, so that won't feel too bad. Of course, if it's pouring with rain in a heavy shower or thunderstorm, it is going to feel pretty miserable. And actually, as we go through into the evening, it's not too cold either. Temperatures holding up somewhere into the low to mid-teen. But definitely take an umbrella, take a Mac. There could be some heavy showers in Hyde Park tomorrow. Right, let's get on with the Glastonbury update. We're starting on Wednesday, the 24th of June. Just a couple of days before the event, because I know a lot of you like to go off early to pitch up your tents and soak up the atmosphere. Now, look at this. This is a change on the last update, because that, for the middle of next week, a couple of nights ago, showed low pressure knocking on the door. Now we've gone back towards high pressure, so we've got a ridge here through the country. It's a very uncertain time at the moment with these computer models. I'm not sure quite what's causing this uncertainty and the runs to change from run to run, but we've gone back towards high pressure for the middle of next week. So we have got a ridge extending through the country on Wednesday the 24th of June. Upper temperatures are quite cool, so that's not great, but at least it's mostly dry. We've got a little bit of rain for Western Scotland, but that won't be bothering you down at Glastonbury. It's a mostly dry day on Wednesday. And temperatures are quite warm as well. The upper air temperatures are cool because the sun is very, very strong now. So if you have good sleep, it's going to lift the temperatures into the low 20s. So around 21, 22, 23 degrees. Feeling very warm and pleasant. That ridge is still with us through into Thursday, the 25th of June as well. So again, your upper air temperatures are nothing to write home about. But with it mainly dry and lots of sunny spells coming through, temperatures are easily up into 21, 22, 23 degrees. So another very nice day being signalled here for Wednesday and indeed for Thursday as well. So this is starting to come into the reliable time frame, or what we would class as the reliable time frame of the GFS model. But because we're chopping and changing so much from run to run, reliability is probably being pushed back to just a few days away. So we've got to wait and see on that. Right, we go through to the first day of the Glastonbury Festival itself, which is a week today, Friday, the 26th of June. And just signs that the ridge is being broken down a little bit as low pressure starts to come in from the Atlantic. So we're not entirely getting rid of the low pressure. Upper air temperatures are lifting up a little bit as that low pressure comes in. It's really just indicating more in way of moisture coming into the atmosphere. There is some rain coming through the country, but it's generally quite light stuff. I don't think it's anything to be overly alarmed about. We'll probably dampen things down and make it feel a bit miserable, but nothing particularly heavy being signal there for the first day of the festival. And the temperatures, well, because we're bringing cloud and light rain across the country, the temperatures are lower. We're somewhere into the mid to upper teens Celsius. So it is a cooler day because there's more cloud and there's these bits and pieces of rain coming through. That gets out of the way for day 2 of the Glastonbury Festival. We built a bit of a ridge across the country on Saturday, the 27th of June. The upper air temperature has gone very cool again as that low pressure clears through. It pulls the winds back into the northwest, so temperatures do lower. But it's a mostly dry day. Don't really worry about these green colours. They could just be indicating some cloud or a few light showers going through, but it's a mainly dry day for day 2. Temperatures are cooler though, so we're down in sort of the mid-teens. That's probably a bit pessimistic. If there's sunny spells coming through, I think you could live for temperatures like around 19 or 20. Nothing to write home about, but I don't think it'll be quite as cool as that's suggesting. And then finally, the last day of Glastonbury, which is the 28th of June, shows that another low pressure is trying to come in off the Atlantic, but pressure is still relatively high down to the south. The Azores High is close to southern parts of the country. Upper air temperatures are cool. We're bringing some quite heavy rain into the north, but it's mostly dry still down in the south. Any rain that does come through looks fairly light, but the heaviest of the stuff is in the north, but the pattern is still a bit mixed here, so we've got to be cautious about this. And then as we go through to temperatures, again, somewhere in the mid to upper teens Celsius. That's still really quite cool for the time of year. So I think we've taken a little bit of a step in favour of drier weather in tonight's update. It is a bit of an improvement if you want a dry Glastonbury festival. I'm sure most of you do, or a mainly dry Glastonbury festival. We've got some rain coming through on Friday, and again another little bit coming through on Sunday, but it's not as wet. It's not as wet as it was on the last update. High pressure is a little bit more influential. The days preceding the festival are okay as well. So it's looking better tonight. It's not looking perfect. There are some bands of rain coming through at times, but it is looking a little bit better than it did the other night. I'll do another update on Sunday, and we'll see what happens. I'm not sure the model really has this pinned down. That is the caveat, but I'm not sure the model has really got this locked in yet about what's happening next week. So come back for the next instalment on Sunday, but on the face of it, a bit of an improvement tonight. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.